In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a line graph. So one way, you can just look here for one graph, line graph. Let's select this one here. Now here there's a lot of line graphs. Now I can show you also how you can draw one, but what if you can find a graph that you want, instead of creating one, maybe you can find one that you actually need. So it's a good idea to search for a graph here. There's 66 templates available for you. So this looks nice. This one as well. But I'm gonna go this one. You need see your Canva Pro subscribers can get this Canva. Customize this template. I'm gonna click on that one, and now here I can customize this template. I can click on this one and I can see now there is actually image, and you can import the CSV file or Google Sheets. Click on here on Google Sheets. Here you have some settings for the columns, and you can clear data here and add your own data, as I said, or you can upload a file or a Google Sheet. Okay, here you have some settings, but to create this, it's better actually to import all the files from Google Sheets from here. It's a good idea, or you can use some lines, but that's not something I recommend. You can create some lines here to give that look, and actually that's not even the one. So here we have some shapes, graphics, and shapes. Actually this one is better, shapes, and I have this one here. Let me change this color to black, and we can change, we usually would need these types of line, and we can just position this line. Even the numbers we can add, you know, now we can hold and drag, duplicate, we can rotate, but that's not something I would really recommend in my opinion. It's better to look for a graph like this and then just share, just upload your CSV file,